Hello, my desktop publishing students. This is part 3, so we're making here just some small assignments so you get them saved, because then I want to do something more with file management with you. Okay, so on this one, this was a new document, so go to a new document in Word, and I got to put a capital W here, and you typed in the line, Microsoft Word is a great word processing program. And then it asked you to bold it. Well, you would take your white cursor, your white arrow, click once, go Control B, and it's bold, right? Okay, so now it asks us to save it in Work 1. So we want to go Control S to save. And now I've already been to Work 1, so I could just go right here, okay? But if you weren't sure of yourself, because you're on different computers, go to Browse, and you're going to go to your U drive. Go to your U drive. You're going to go to File Management, and you're going to go to Work 1. And now you check and make sure that you are in Work 1. All right, so now click in the file name box, and we don't want to call it that at all. So type in your first name, type in the current date for you, and then we are to call it Exercise 2, Word Bold. Okay, and press Save here, and we're good to go. That has been saved. All right, and so now it says close out your file. So go Control and Function key F4, or just go File Close. Now go back into Word. Okay, and on the next one it says that make sure you've got no spacing turned on. Okay, and I'm going to press Enter here, and we had to key in the line. There is a saying that goes, if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. And it asked you to bold saying, so left double click, go Control B for saying. All right, and plan, left double click, bold, and plan, left double click, bold. Control B for bold. Now, if you, okay, select if you, and you want to underline, so go Control U for underline. And then fail, double click, go Control I for italics. Okay, there's your italics. And U, double click here, go Control U for underline, and fail, double click, and go Control I for italics. So you've added all the things that you were supposed to. Even if we want to make this a little bit larger, size it up, that's fine. Okay, because remember those words, they're important words. All right, we're going to save this, and this time we want to still save it in Work 1. So now I'm going to go File, or go Control S to save, it's easier. And this time I know this is me, so I'm going to go to Work 1 and check. I'm in Work 1, and that's where I'm supposed to be. And now I'm going to type in my first name in the file name box, type in the current date for me, and we're going to type in Exercise 3, and it's called Word Formatting. Okay, that's good. And now save it. And the same thing here. We'll go File Close this time for a change. Instead of Control F4, File Close, but either one works. And we're going to go back to Word. And this time you were supposed to, okay, we're supposed to minimize Word, go out of Word, and go back to Excel. So go to Excel and key in these values. So I keyed in 100, but before we start there, I went to Zoom, and I went to Custom, and I put in 160, just to make yours look like mine, okay? So then I keyed in the values here, and I keyed in these values. Now, your instruction was click in cell A1, hold down your Shift key, and click in cell C5, okay? Here's C, and this is C5. And do you see the blank column and the blank row? And it tells you go Alt equals, and there you've added everything up. So very fast, very easy. All right, so now we want to save this. Go Control S to save. Now let's go to Browse, and we want to go to your U drive. So go to your U drive, go to File Management, and we want to be in Work 1. All right, and hold on here. And we want to call this, again, select Book 1, put in your name, put in the current date for you, okay? And then this is called Exercise 4, and it is Excel Sum as the name of the file, all right? And save it. And now it says go Control F4 to close it out, so go Control F4. And it's closed out. All right, now we're going to go back to Word, okay, and this time we were supposed to key in Microsoft Word, you've used bold and italics. Now you'll learn to use left, right, or center. All right, so now bold, left double click, go Control B, and italics, go Control I. All right, so now, oh, then it says try this. I didn't put that in. So here, type in try this. All right. And put in your period, press enter. And now we want to select it all and go Control B for bold. All right, that's good. So now it says type the word left. So I'm going to type the word left. And it says press enter. And then it says key in the word center. Okay, go center. All right, and then press enter. And, oh, but it told me here, which I forgot to do here, on center I was supposed to go Control E. Okay, to center it, because remember, copy got the C, center got the E. All right, so now I'm down on this blank line, and I'm supposed to go Control R, because I want to go to the right-hand side, and I want to type the word right. Okay, so I did that, and I'm on the right-hand side, and it told me to press enter. And now I want to bring it back to the left-hand side, so I'm going to go Control L, and I'm back at the left-hand side, and I'm to type in, this is fun. All right, and this is so easy for you now, and you should see that my lines, your lines look like mine, and I think they were all bold. So let's bold them. Go Control B. All right, so save your work. Go Control S to save. All right, and once again, I'm going to go here to Work 1. And I'm in Work 1, so I want to save this as my first name, the current date for myself, and we are supposed to call it Exercise 5. And word alignment. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Word alignment. Okay, word alignment, and save it. All right, so that's been saved. That's good. And it says go Control F4 to close out your file, so do that. And now I need to go to Word again, and we were supposed to type in ASCII, stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. All right, and it said press enter once, and on this one we are doing anything more with it? No, that's it. Looks like we bolded it, so click it once, go Control B. If you want to size it up a bit, sure, that's okay. All right, so we're supposed to save this one, so go Control S to save. Again, Work 1 is here, you know it's you, and we want to type in your first name, the current date for you, and call it Exercise 6. Exercise 6, and word ASCII. Okay, ASCII. All right, save it. That's good. And now close it out. Control F4 to close it out. Okay, that's good. And now we want to go to Word one more time. And here we were to type in, you can use a variety of fonts. Okay, it asks us to select can, so double click. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to make this larger. I'm going to size this up so that you can definitely see it, okay? So I'm supposed to select can, and I can come down here, and we can choose any font that you like. It doesn't matter. Pick out something that looks neat to you. Doesn't matter to me what you use there, okay? And it said put a font color on, so I'm going to put red. And now it said I could make it larger if I wanted to. Sure, I can size it up, make it larger. And now it says select variety. So go to variety and now select another font. Now go down further this time, like go down, so that you get into something different, all right? Oh, hold on here. And I want to come down here. Okay, so take a look here at some different ones and, maybe something like that. Doesn't matter, but just try something different. Change your font color. That's good too. All right. And then it said fonts. Okay, so I'm going to go down and to my fonts. And this time I'm going to go down as far as getting into the R's. Okay, there's Rockwell. Maybe I use that one. Show card. I'm going to go with that one. You can choose anything you want. And I'll change the color. Put in green here. All right, so that's what we wanted to do there, was just for you to use a variety of fonts. All right, so we're going to save your work. And we want to save this one in work 1. Okay, and we're also going to save it not in work 1, but Park Project. So I want to go here. First of all, okay, I want to go to Park Project. That's where I should be. And I want to say this is exercise 7 word fonts, okay? Right in Park Project. So I'm going to go here and put in my first name. And then I want to put in the current date. And we are supposed to call it exercise 7 word fonts. So exercise 7 word fonts. All right, that's good. Okay, and save. And that's it for that one. So close it out, go Control F4. And now I'm supposed to, actually going to close Word out. I don't think we need it anymore. I'm going to close it out and I'm on to Excel here. And in Excel, I have put these values in. So that's good. You can do the same thing. Put those values in. And now what we want to do is we want to add them up. So remember, we click in cell A1, hold down your Shift key, and click in cell C5. So C5, blank column, blank row. And what do? Alt equals. All right, that's good. And we're going to save this one. So go Control S to save. Now we want to go to the folder called Spreadsheets. So I'm still going to go to work 1. And there's Spreadsheets. That's what I want. And I'm going to save it here as my name. And then the current date. And then we're going to call it Exercise 8. Exercise 8. And it's going to be called Excel Sum 2. Excel Sum 2. All right, good. Save that. And we don't need that anymore, so close out. So make sure you've saved. Go to File, Close, or Control F4, whichever one you want. And then close out of Excel. And we're going to go back to your desktop. And this is where I want to be in my File U drive. And here's our file management, and we're at work 1. All right, we're going to stop there because I'm out of time, and then I will continue on.